Andy.
Our house was that one over there. Sid used to stay with us on summer holidays back when Mum was around. Mum died of cancer.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Well, I still have my dad. Not that he was much use, you know. Lazy Pig used to sit on his backside all day, scoffing crisp and drinking tins. You know, the smell of pickled onions still knocks me sick. You know, I've made a promise to myself that day that I would never turn out like him. Then made a name for myself out on the estate, and the rest is history.
We should start thinking about getting back. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm not going home.
All right, you don't have to. You can set Lily's with me.
Well, no, because they'll know I'm there and make me go home. Jordan, do you have a mate that I can stay with?
Or leave me out of it.
Well, fine. I'll find somewhere myself then.
Oh, yeah, good one. Right, there's a nice little crack then you can sleep in. Come on.
Well, it's better than going back to that boring village. At least it's fun here.
Listen, Princess, people don't choose to like somewhere like this, yeah? People around here would trade the estate for what you've got back home.
But you grew up here and you've done all right.
Yeah, but I grafted for it. You know, if I had the opportunities that you had, a good school, university even, I could have done the easy route. Got a nice, cushy, middle management job and been set up for life. But instead, I had to work my way up from the gutter. You know, I didn't know where my next paycheck was coming from, or even if I had enough money for rent each month. And I couldn't tap Mummy and Daddy for a few quid when times were tough. Listen, go back to school, get your qualifications.
Maybe we should go back.
Watch it! You're lucky that missed me or you'd be looking at a week of detention.
Sorry. I'm sorry again for yesterday. I didn't mean to wreck Jessie's flowers.
Are you sure that you're ready to be back here?
What else would I do?
I don't know. Stay at home, grieve with your daughter.
Oh, Iona's at nursery. I want her life to be as unaffected by this as possible.
Just promise me, if it gets too much, you will tell me.
Well, that was fun. We should do it again sometime.
Look, I can't be in a relationship. I'm no good for you.
Slow down. Who said anything about being in a relationship?
So, we're agreed this was a one-time deal?
More of a go with the flow, see what happens kind of deal.
Thank you for taking my mind off everything today.
You're welcome. I gotta go. I'm already late.
And on your first day, naughty boy.
It's gonna look worse going in halfway through the day. They'll know we were skiving.
All right, so we'll say we just had the dentist or something. Yeah? Go on. You go back. I need to talk to Jordan about something. Thanks, mate. You know, for convincing her to come back.
Girl's got potential, I can't let her throw that away.
Just promise me one thing. Yeah, you won't get her involved in nothing dodgy.
As if I would. You're like a brother to me, yeah? And she's your girl. We'll look after our own. Get back to school, because someone in our family's got to get to uni, yeah?
You got Julie on side then, Chief?
No, not yet, but she's a given. This school is a gold mine. Bunch of bored suburban kids with more pocket money than they know what to do with.
I'll happily take it off their hands.
No, but you know the score, don't you? Start small, get a few kids dealing weed, then we'll expand, recruit a few new runners, going school to school.
Easy money. Get them to do all the legwork.
But I'm relying on you to get the ball rolling, yeah? You're my top boy. I get in there and give them a sniff of what they've been missing.
you need anything, I'll be next door marking a ton of essays. I swear, one more child writes could of instead of could have, I am quitting.
We went out on dinner and got you these, so...
I hope they're okay. We only had £2.60 between us after we bought chips.
Well, they're just gorgeous, thank you. But you shouldn't have spent your money on me.
You're our favourite science teacher. We wanted to cheer you up.
That's a lovely gesture, but why don't you take your seats? I can take this lesson. You go home.
Thank you.
Right, people. What I know about biology, I could write on the back of a napkin. So this lesson has just become an hour of silent reading. With a pop quiz at the end. Yay!
Nancy, a word outside if you don't mind. I can't for the life of me find John Paul. If you do see him, tell him to come to our office, will you?
So the prodigal son still hasn't shown his face then?
Well, I spoke to him and he says he's been in all day. We just must keep missing each other.
That's so strange. In a small school like this, I find it hard to avoid people when I'm really trying. I did see him at lunch. You know, he was trying to source equipment for the geography field trip. Try the supply sheds.
All was prepared. You could learn a thing or two from him.
Mason, what are you doing here?
What do you think?
No, you can't be dealing there. Look around here. This is my school. If they think I'm involved, I could get expelled.
Hey, speak to the boss. It's out of my hands.
I will speak to the boss, but you need to go find another school to cash in on.
Nat, hey, could you cover for me?
Already have.
Thank you.
Have you been anyway? You got lucky, didn't you?
Right, for the last time, yeah? Get lost. What, you think you're a big man now, do you?
Hey, I know you. You tried selling to me yesterday.
We should do something, shouldn't we?
I'm not pushing drugs around here.
I'll go. You go find Sally before she blows a gasket.
You want to be careful who you're talking to.
What, you want me to call the police?
Uh-huh.
You want me to call the police instead? Get off school property before I make you.
Try it. You skinny little runt. I'll snap you in half, mate.
No, stop!
Get off it! Wait, man, stop!
Break it up! I said, break it up! Break up! Stop it!
Nancy!
She's been stabbed! Somebody call an ambulance!
Oh no, I love this show. No.
Me too. Although I don't really understand why you would go on TV and get all your bits out.
If it gets me a date, I'd do it.
Maybe you should try it. Might have a better chance if you don't see your face first.